In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious bacon-wrapped onion rings recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need sliced bacon and an onion. Start by peeling the onion completely. Slice the onion into half-inch slices. Pull each of the rings apart. Wrap all of the rings completely in bacon. Place on a baking sheet with a cooling rack on top. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our bacon-wrapped onion rings are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.